Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel, my lovely friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is a Bitcoin? A Bitcoin is a unit of digital currency. It's actually internet money. It's been invented by an anonymous Japanese inventor known as Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike dollar, euros or rupee, Bitcoin is considered as a decentralized currency. That means that a network of users control and verify every transaction instead of central authority like banks or any government. It still works like real money. One person pays another person for goods and services. However, once money is exchanged, the record of every transaction is publicly recorded onto a ledger known as a blockchain. Other Bitcoin users, known as the miners, verifies every transaction in the blockchain. After a certain amount of transactions have been verified by a miner, that miner will receive newly minted bitcoins for their work, and thus new bitcoins will be added into the circulation. While there are currently more than 80% of bitcoins are being mined and in circulation, the total amount of bitcoins that can ever be created is capped at 21 million. The creation rate is automatically halved every few years as more bitcoins are added into circulation. This system, modeled after gold mining, makes finding new bitcoins more rare as the number of available bitcoins reaches the 21 million cap. So should you rush out and start to buy more bitcoins or converting all your monies to bitcoin? Not necessarily. While a few websites such as Reddit, WordPress and Overstock have begun accepting bitcoins, but most major retailers have not yet taken the plunge. Also, like any other commodity, the value of bitcoins is only worth what people are willing to pay for it, and that value has fluctuated pretty widely in the past couple of years. In April of 2011, the value of one bitcoin was 75 cents. In December of 2013, that value have reached as high as $1,000 and $1,200. To learn more about bitcoins and technical stuffs, don't forget to press the subscribe button and don't forget to watch the other videos in my channel. So at last, shukra, alvida, masalama, take care and be happy.